Every year for our kids' birthdays, we let them choose whatever they want their birthday cake to be. We literally let them dream it up out of thin air, and then we buy them that cake, or we make it depending on what it was. So this year, my 4-year-old wanted a rainbow layer cake with rainbow sprinkles, and she actually specified she wanted each layer to be a different color of the rainbow in rainbow order. So that's what we're doing here.
So delicious.
Also, it's a really fun activity to do with your kids. And yes, it was like a 2-day fun activity, but who cares? The If You Care pan saved me. Look at how much fun she's having. And she's a master egg cracker. So we did 6 different cakes, one of each color of the rainbow. We baked them up. It's really important to let them cool completely, and then you could start assembling. I did this part while my kids were in bed sleeping. It's like therapy for me, and I really, really enjoy it. So I actually used a serrated knife to level out each layer, which I find really important. I also made a simple syrup. I didn't show this here just because the video is really long as it is, but it's equal parts water and sugar. I added vanilla extract and some salt, and then you let it come together over heat and cool, and then you brush the simple syrup on the cake part of each layer before you put the icing. So I did do that. I don't know, I felt like you should know. And now I'm just putting the cake together backwards, rainbow order. Start with purple, so when you cut into it, it actually looks like a rainbow. And then tomorrow morning we are going to decorate the cake. So let me know if you want to see part 2.